France maintaining a 1-point lead. Blocked! Mikel Brown Jr., my goodness. And then at the other end, Noah Kwaku Egg.
Turnovers mounting for Cameroon. Brown to the rim! A rim rattler for Mikel Brown!
On the 2024 U17 World Cup gold. National overall number 2 or 3 recruit, depending on who you talk to, and AJ Defansa.
Defansa, left wing. Brown lines it up. Got it! Spins, takes on contact. Couldn't get it to drop. Salipa keeps it inbounds. Second effort blocked by Johnson. Brown fires ahead for Defansa, who lays it in. Dickinson up top. Gets to the right, blocked by Brown. Largest lead of the game for America at one point was 25. Now down to 13. Defansa takes it away. Defansa stops. Brown gets it back. A three. Yes!
Count the bucket. Wow. Mikel Brown. That triple straight through by Mikel Brown Jr. 10% of our viewers right now to hit that thumbs up button. We will go well past the 5,000 mark as Daniel Jacobson goes up. Outside to Brown. Splash! Mikel Brown!
Hamenya. Rejected, stays with it. Hamenya for Brown. He's got to put up a shot inside. And he got it to...
Another Purdue fan in the chat. Three on the way from Brown. Splash! Mikel Brown!
Bonza passes it away. Good decision to Mikel Brown Jr. Team USA shooting 60%, and that's one of the reasons why Morez Johnson Jr. on another lob.
Preston says, when I make it big one day, to remember all of the fans here, I don't think I'm going to be...
Will work errands around a screen. Oliogu loses the ball, fast break opportunity. Defansa, 1-on-2. Layup is good, draws the foul. And Mikel Brown Jr. to the line to shoot one.
Long three on the way, splash.
Dribbles, hands off, Nyora. Canada has stayed around the perimeter and then gone to the interior. They went with the similar play there. Back and forth. Oh, goodness!
Rebound loose and controlled by Defansa. Defansa stops to the corner. Three for Brown.
You know, the defensive stopper in Smith guarded Isaac on that first possession.
That's a great find from Mikel Brown Jr. Sweeps it in low.
Brown, that's a deep one. He hit it.
You know, got a great opportunity. He missed it, and now here comes the wave of attack from America.
Koa Pete. Foul is called. And one.
We've just got so many weapons.
Brown in for Smith. Back to Brown, wide open in the corner. Got it to fall.
This can just be a high ball screen here.
Mikel Brown Jr. A little backboard tap with the
rejected by Johnson. Defansa the other way. Defansa to the corner. Brown a three. Yes.
Two of the players have showed that they're at this level in some respects. Brown Jr., wow, rising up high over the defenders.
What a finish with the left. Didn't even use the backboard.
Radford tried to come in for a putback finish, just couldn't get a handle on it. United States with the ball. Stokes layup, no good. Rebounded by Johnson. Hesitation, takes the three. Mikel Brown Jr. No good. Tried to clean it up himself. Johnson with the rebound. Brown for three. Good! 1 point lead for the Americans. Time out.
Way off the target, Marez Johnson pulls that one out of the sky. Mikel Brown Jr., as you said, goes straight to the rim. Steal here, Dibonsa. Good man. Brown for three.
Mikel Brown's been smoking the nets here.
Inside. Wow! Jordan Smith Jr. Koa Pete there collecting the rebound from Halifanua's miss. Mikel Brown Jr. How special is he?
I mean, you can't. He's shooting over 50% for three.
Brown with the reply. Brown sticking it.
We played 2 minutes in the second quarter, both teams with a foul. Ball is stripped, and here comes Jordan Smith Jr. again on the lob to McCoy. Dibonsa looking for Brown Jr. Three ball putter there.
Dibonsa, Smith. Dibonsa. Stokes, kick out. Brown, can he have another? Yes, he can.
8-second shot clock. Takes the three, knocks it in.